The QT4-28 hollow block machine can be combined with a belt conveyor to transport raw materials into the block machine hopper. Another improvement is to add the raw material distribution device to improve the working efficiency. The QT4-28 block making machine control PLC is almost full automatic, only need to press one button. The block will be formed, so its operation is simple but output is big. So this QT4-28 hollow block machine is also called one-button block forming machine.